Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we'll discuss how to disable camera access in Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. To disable camera access, simply open the settings application. Now here click on privacy and security and here look for apps permission and select camera option. And here you will find here camera access settings. If you want to disable camera access to a particular application, then simply turn off the toggle next to the application name. However, if you want to completely disable camera access on a system, then you can simply turn off camera access toggle. When you completely disable camera access in your Windows system, Windows Hello face recognition will not work. If you use this feature, then it is better to turn off the camera access to particular application. This is how you can disable camera access in Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.